Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, power mirrors, traction control system, outside temperature gauge, rear window defroster, backup camera, audio radio, touch screen display, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.